Hello friends, Keto Bob RV Travels back with you. Bob Hinkst. We are in El Paso still, and it's a beautiful sunny day. A little bit on the windy side and a little bit cool, so seen having to dress up a little bit. Going to share with you a quick repair that I'm doing today. Actually had to go through and change my anode rod in my water heater. For those of you that have never experienced that before, basically that is an important annual task that you need to do so that the chemical breakdown of your water heater doesn't eat itself from inside. It'll actually eat on that anode rod rather than eat on your tank. So we'll go through and we'll do a quick little video on how to replace that. My situation, actually, it's been about a year and a half, so I had a little bit of corrosion there. Had to go in and clean it out a little bit, but I'll give you the back side of it, how to replace that, and give you some tips for the trade. The first thing you want to do is find the control panel for your hot water tank and find the drain valve located under the burner assembly. I had actually previously loosened this up while I drained it, so it'd be a little bit easier to show you and come out. Make sure you have a proper socket. And then when you bring that out, you will have a little bit of sediment that you see over there on the left hand side of some of the scale that builds up. This is actually a very used rod, and as I said, it's been about a year and a half old. 4.5 inch replacement is what I'm going to go back with, and you can see the difference between a brand new and then the old. And then I actually bought one that actually has a drain cock on the end, so it's a little bit easier to drain the system if I need to. Make sure you open up the pressure relief valve when you release your water out. And this is, again, some of the sediment that I had to clean out. Make sure you clean out the inside and the outside and make sure everything's nice and clean before you reinstall the new rod. A little bit of plumber's tape goes a long way. Make sure you have that onto the new threads before you put it in. Now that the plumber's tape is applied, we'll go ahead and insert that in finger tight. There are a couple special tools you could use to go over the top of that stem to reach the nut and tighten that up, or you could use channel locks. Either one actually would be good. Number one key to plumbing is never over tighten. Now that we've gotten everything tightened up, make sure that you close the pressure relief valve, turn on your water, and your tank should fill back up. Check for any leaks, close up your hatch, and you are ready to go. That is a quick repair on the anode rod.